Let's do 11D division. Clear? So just basic concept that in division we subtract the powers when the bases are same. So now question number 1, subpart 1. Minus 16ab square c divided by 6abc. So we will write as I have done, you can see on the screen. So minus 16ab square c divided by 6abc. So 6 and 8, 16 and 6 we will cancel. So it can be cancelled by 2. So 2 8 is 16, 2 3 is 6. Then a and a is cancelled. B to the power 2. So b to the power 2 minus 1. Because in numerator 2 is power and in denominator power is 1. So we subtract the smaller number from the greater number, and greater number is given in the numerator. So in numerator we will write b to the power 2 minus 1. Again c and c is cancelled. So the answer will be minus 8b divided by 3. Next subpart 2. 25x square y by minus 5y square. So 25x square y divided by minus 5 y square. So how many times? 5 5s are 25. Clear? 5 5s are 25. So 5x square divided by y to the power 2 minus 1, because here denominator is greater than the numerator. Denominator is greater than the numerator means what? Means the power of y is 2 in denominator and power of y is 1 in numerator. So in denominator we will do the subtraction of the powers. So minus 5 x square divided by y, and this is the answer. Now next, 8x plus 24 divided by 4. So again 8x plus 24 divided by 4 we will write first, then we will write 8x divided by 4 plus 24 divided by 4. So 4 2s are 8, and this side 4 6 are 24. So the answer will be 2x plus 6. Next, 4a square minus a by minus a. So 4a square by minus a, and then minus a by minus a. So 4a square divided by minus a will be equal to minus 4a, because 2 minus 1 1. So 4 minus 4a plus 1. Minus a and minus a is cancelled. Next, 8m minus 16 divided by minus 8. So first 8m divided by minus 8, and then minus 16 divided by minus 8. So 8 8 cancel, and this side also minus minus cancel. In numerator and denominator, if the sign is minus, then we cancel the minus sign, and in answer we write the plus sign. So minus m plus 2. 8 2s are 16. Next is minus 50 plus 40p by 10p. So minus 50 by 10p plus 40p by 10p. So 10 5s are 50. So minus 5 divided by p plus how many times? 10 4s are 40. So minus 5 divided by p plus 4, and this is the answer. Now next is 4x cube minus 2x square by minus x. So 4x cube by x, and then minus 2x square by minus x. So 4x cube minus x means what? 4x to the power 3 minus 1. Again minus and minus cancel. So plus 2x to the power 2 minus 1. So 4x to the power 2 plus 2x. Next, 10a to the power 3 minus 15a square b by minus 5a square. So 10a to the power 3 divided by minus 5a square, then minus 15a square b divided by minus 5a square. So 5 2s are 10. So minus 2a to the power 3 minus 2. Again minus and minus cancel. 5 3s are 15. So plus 3b. And so the answer will be minus 2a plus 3b. Next, 12x to the power 3y minus 8x square y plus 4x square y cube divided by 4xy. So we will divide each term separately by what? 4xy. So what answer we will get here? You can see first you write like this as it is written on the screen. Then 4 3s are 12. So 3x to the power 3 minus 1. Y cancel. Again 4 2s are 8, so minus 2, x to the power 2 minus 1, y to the power 2 minus 1. Then again plus 4 4 cancel, x to the power 2 minus 1 and y to the power 3 minus 1. So 3x to the power 2 minus 2xy plus xy square. Next 9a to the power 4b minus 15a to the power 3b square plus 12a square b3 divided by minus 3a square b. Again we will divide each term by what? Minus 3a square b. So we will get 3 3s are 9, so minus 3a to the power 4 minus 2, b and b cancel, then minus minus cancel, plus 3 5s are 15, so 5a to the power 3 minus 2, b to the power 2 minus 1, plus. Clear? So plus and minus, in plus is given in numerator and minus is given in denominator. So in answer we will put the minus sign. So minus 4b to the power 3 minus 1. So minus 3a square plus 5ab minus 4b square is the answer. Now question number 2, division. This division is called the division of polynomial by the binomial. Two terms are here till question number 1. Means in question number 1 all division is a division of polynomial by monomial, but in question number 2 this is the division of polynomial by binomial. Clear? We have discussed earlier also, in the previous video I have discussed that's what is monomial, what is binomial. Once again, binomial means what? When two terms are there and we know that the terms are separated only by the plus and the minus sign, not with the multiplication and division. Okay, so now let's solve question number 2 sub part 1. N square minus 2n plus 1 by n minus 1. So first we will write, as I have done on the screen, you can see, you write like this, then you can see n minus 1, so multiply n minus 1, you can see the calculation also I have done. So with n minus 1, when we will multiply n, then only we will get n square minus 1n. So you have to multiply n minus 1 with such a number or such a literal quantity so that we can cancel the first number. Clear? First term. So first term is what here? N to the power 2. So with which number, with which alphabet, with which literal quantity we will multiply n minus 1? N. Clear? So here with n minus 1, when we will multiply n, we will get n square minus n. So that is why I have done n square minus n. Now this is subtraction. In division what we do? We subtract. Clear? So in subtraction what we do? We change the sign. This is the concept of the subtraction. So here also we will change the sign. We will change the sign. So last sign we will change. Only last sign. So last sign is what here? Minus. This will be changed into plus. And here what? Plus n square will change into minus n square. And we will consider only the sign of the first line and sign of the last line. Last line means the changed one. Clear? So we will consider the sign only of the first line and the changed one. Clear? So now minus 2n and plus 1n, this is equal to what? Plus 1. And n square is what? Cancel, because plus n square minus n square is cancel. What is left? In the next it is left minus n, and from this we will copy down plus 1. So minus n plus 1. Now minus n plus 1 is here and here is n minus 1. So with n minus 1 what we will multiply so that we get minus n plus 1? So we will multiply with minus 1. Then only we will get minus n plus 1. Clear? First thing, so we will multiply with minus 1, minus n plus 1. Now again we will change the sign. So plus 1 will become minus 1 and minus n will become plus n. So now first sign of the first line and the sign of the changed one. Clear? So plus 1 minus 1 cancel, minus n plus n cancel. Clear? Now next question sub part 2. M square minus 2mn plus n square divided by m minus n. Again So we will divide m square minus 2mn plus n square with what? M minus n. Now we will think that with m minus 1 which alphabet will multiply, which literal quantity we will multiply, so that we get m square, because the first purpose is to cut this first term, and first term is m square. Okay, means when we will multiply m minus n with m, we will get m square. Clear? So we will multiply. So after multiplying, we will get what? M square minus then m n. Clear? Because that m will multiply with m also, m minus n. Clear? M we will multiply with m minus n. So what we have got? M square minus mn. Now we will change the sign. So minus mn will become plus mn, and plus m square will become minus m square. Okay, now the first term is cancelled. In second term we will solve. We will get minus mn, and then we will copy down plus n square. Now we will think that with what literal quantities we will multiply m minus n, so that we get minus mn. So we will multiply with minus n, then only we can get this. Clear? So minus n is multiplied with m minus n, and we get what? Minus mn plus n square. Again we will change the sign. So plus n square will become minus n square, and minus mn will become plus. Now we can cancel, and the answer is m minus n. Next we will divide 4a square plus 4a plus 1 by 2a plus 1. So we have to think that with which term we will multiply 2a plus 1, so that we get the first term. First term is what here? 4a square. So when we multiply with 2a, then only we can get the first term, 4a square. So I have multiplied here, and after multiplying we will get what? 4a square plus 2a. Then again we will change the sign. Plus 2a will become minus 2a, and plus 4a square will become minus 4a square. Then again the first term is cancelled. Plus 4a square minus 4a square we can cancel, and then we will solve the second term. Second term is what? After solving we will get plus 2a, and then we will copy down the third term, plus 1. Again you can see with which number we will multiply with 2a plus 1, so that we can get the 2a plus 1. It's very simple. Multiply with 1. So 1, after multiplying with 1 we will get 2a plus 1. Now change the sign. So opposite sign, plus 1 will become minus 1, plus 2a will become minus 2a, then cancel, and the answer is 2a plus 1. Okay. Now next is p square plus 4p plus 4 divided by p plus 2. So again p plus 2 we will multiply with p, then only we can get the first term, p square. So after multiplying with p we will get p square plus 2p. Now we will change the sign. Plus 2p will become minus 2p, and plus p square will become minus p square. Now first term we can cancel. After solving the second term we will get plus 2p, and then we will copy down the third term. Again we will multiply with what? 2. We will multiply p plus 2 with plus 2. Then only we will get 2p plus 4. Then we will change the sign. Plus 4 will become minus 4, and plus 2p will become minus 2p. So the answer is what? P plus 2. Now next, x square plus 4xy plus 4y square divided by x plus 2y. So we will multiply x plus 2y with x. Then only we can get the first term, x square. So x square plus 2xy. Again we will change the sign. First term is cancelled. After solving the second term we will get the answer plus 2xy. Then we will copy down the third term. Third term is plus 4y square. Again with x plus 2y we will multiply with 2y. Then only we can get the first term, 2xy. Okay, so after multiplying we will get 2xy plus 4y square. Now we will change the sign. After changing the sign, both the term we will cancel, and the answer will be x plus 2y. Now the next, 2a square minus 11a plus 12 divided by a minus 4. So a minus 4, with a minus 4 we will multiply 2a, then only we can get the first term, 2a square. So after multiplying we will get 2a square minus 8a we will change the sign and then we can cancel the first term. After solving the second term, we will get minus 3a and we'll copy down the third term. Now with a minus 4, we'll multiply minus 3 and then only we will get minus 3a plus 12. Again we will change the sign. After changing the sign, we can cancel the terms and the answer will be 2a minus